This is mid-February 2025. This is fading of winter season and onset of summer season. And if you look around, you'll see a lot of trees blossoming with beautiful flowers. And when I'm out on my bicycle or my motorbike, I notice a lot of such trees, beautiful flowers. And especially on this particular stretch of the road in Ponda, this is a flyover, start of a flyover. And this side is Farmagudi, Old Goa, Panji. So basically this road leads to Panji, and this side it goes to Usgaon, Mole and Belgaon. So basically this is Panji-Belgaon highway, and this stretch of about 200 meters is a flyover on north side of Ponda. This is almost like a canopy walk. You can see the road is level with the canopy of the trees. You can see trees all over, and this is a fantastic stretch from where you can see a lot of trees that are blossoming, and one is here right now. Say I'm recording on a phone, so you may not be able to see the flowers. Let me zoom and check. You can see beautiful red flowers on that. This tree is Bombax Siba. That is a botanical name. And in Konkani, this is called SAWAR. And in Marathi, it is called Kate SAWAR. Kate SAWAR because its trunk and branches have thorns. Kate means thorn. Kata means thorn. And in another couple of months, this tree will be fruiting. And the pods, the fruit is in the form of pods. Green pods will appear on this particular tree. And by end of May, that is peak of summer, those pods will become brown and they will crack open just before the monsoon. And a lot of fluffy cotton with seeds attached to it will be carried away by the winds in different directions. Fantastic way of seed dispersal. There is one more tree on the other side of the road, which is already fruiting. The fruit of that looks very similar to the fruit of this tree, of SAWAR, but it is much slimmer. There are green pods on that tree, and I was confused. There is one tree which is flowering while the other tree which is already fruiting. So I was in doubt whether they are the same species. And I asked my friend Paresh Porab, who's Assistant Conservator of Forest Goa and an expert in this field, and Diksha Gaonkar, the botany teacher who's also expert in trees. And both of them informed me that this one is a native species, and the other one, which we'll see now, we'll just cross the road and I'll show you that, is an introduced species. That is also silk cotton, and this SAWAR is also silk cotton. Thanks to both of them. Now let us cross the road and have a look at the fruiting tree. So on the other side of the road is this fruiting tree. It's very similar to Kate SAWAR, but there are no thorns on its trunk, and the fruit is slightly slicker than the fruit of SAWAR. This is also silk cotton, and this particular fruit will also become brown and then crack open